Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco Air3 Pro, and today I'm gonna show you how can you easily rename your device on iOS. Let's get started. First you have to scroll down to our control panel, then you have to hold everything on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to go into Bluetooth settings, and as you can see, my devices, OPPO Enco Air Pro. We have to go into our settings by clicking this info icon over there. Now as you can see, there's name. We can easily name our device to what we want. To confirm, just have to click done. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.